Good morning, class. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to graph systems of inequalities. We're going to use what we learned from systems of equations and graphing lines and what we learned yesterday. So just remember, dashed line goes with these inequality symbols without the line underneath. Solid line goes with this one with the line underneath. Okay, we're going to graph these just like they were equations. Y equals y half x minus 3. So if I gave you that equation, I would have said, what do you do first? So negative 3 is the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, which is here. The slope is y over 2. Rise up y, go over 2. Rise up y, go over 2. Like that. Then you have to look to see if it's going to be a dashed line or a solid line. This is important. So greater than is a dashed line. So I'm going to try to make this neat. Please you would use a ruler if you had to graph like that. Now we have to see if we need to shade the bottom of the line or the top. Y is greater than y half x minus 3. So look at the y-intercept, which is negative 3. All the numbers that's greater than negative 3 is up. So you would have to shade all of this in. Okay, sorry, I'm going a little sloppy. All right. Now, we have to graph this one. Y is less than or equal to negative 4x plus 2. So positive 2, I think I'll use the same pencil. Is up here, y2. That is the y-intercept. I hope you can see that. The slope, negative 4 over y. So really you would go up 4, y2, 3, 4, and to the left 1. But I'm going to go down and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right 1, right here. Okay, so I only need 2 points. So this here would be the line. And then we have to see if it's a dashed line or solid. It's going to be a solid line. So let me try to draw the line. Oh, oops, you can't see that. Oh, sorry. My line is a little weird. Okay, so that's your line. Now, we have to figure out the answer. The answer, I'm going to get a different color, is where they overlap. So before we do that, we need to look at this line here. Where do we shade it? So if I look here at my y-intercept, which is positive 2, 1, 2, it says y is less than or equal to. So the less than is down. All the numbers that's smaller than this y-intercept is down here. So you would shade all down, all this. So where do they overlap? Right here. So that part, this pink part, not this part. This pink part only will be the answer. I know it's a lot. So we're doing some algebra. Okay, all this pink part will be the answer, okay? So you may have a question. Is a point, you might get an ordered pair, an x and a y. Is it part of the solution? If it's in this region, yes. If it's not, no. If it's on a solid line like this, yes. If it's on a dashed line, no. I think you should look at this one as well. I know it's already been 4 minutes. So let's graph this one. I tried to do it quickly. Negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your y-intercept. And then go up 1, 2, over 1. 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2, 1, 2 over 1. Oh, 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. Okay, and now we are going to go down 2 over 1. This is greater than, so it's a dashed line. Okay, I know I'm going a little fast. Hope it's not too sloppy. Let's see where we have to shade. Again, greater than. Wow. We have to shade all the way up here above the line. Why? Because if you look at your y-intercept, all the numbers that's greater than is above this point. So all of this is shaded. Now, this is the big one. Y is less than or equal to 2. So Positive 2 is up here. Y2, that's the y-intercept. And y, remember, equals any number is horizontal. I hope you remember that. So the same thing here. And it's a solid line. A solid line goes straight across. And we have to see, what do we need to shade. All the less than will be down here. All of this, even this part. But where do they overlap? Only here. Okay? So let's see. I'm doing the pink again. Only this section here. Okay? I know that's a little sloppy, but I think you get the gist of it. Only this section. So you may have a question again. You get an ordered pair. Okay, x comma y. They're going to ask you, is this a solution? If the ordered pair falls in this region, yes it is. If it falls on the solid line, yes. If it falls anywhere else, no. Even here, no. Okay, and if it falls on the solid line, the dashed line, no. Okay, I'm sorry it was so long-winded. Okay, bye.